Hi viewers. Today's lecture is about the trigonometric formula for derivative, how to solve the trigonometric identities with derivative. We will take first, that is, the basic three identities is sine of x, cos and tan. So for those, first is sine, d over dx of derivative of sine of x. When we are taking the derivative of sine of x, it will be equal to cos of x. D over dx of sine of x, derivative of sine of x is equal to cos of x. Similarly, d over dx of cos of x. Now, what is the difference in cos of x? It will be equal to sine of x but with minus sign. When it's for cos, it will be minus sign. For sine, positive sign. Now for third is d over dx of tan of x. For tan of x it will be equal to secant square of x. For tan it will be secant square of x, and d over dx of cot of x, it will be equal to minus cosecant square of x, like the sine, like the cos. In cos it will be minus sine, and in cot it will be equal to minus cosecant square of x. 6 is now d over df x, secant of x. What will be equal to secant of x? Secant of x, when we have derivative of secant of x, it will be secant itself, first secant itself and then tan. See, secant is for tan, so secant itself and tan. And number 6 is d over dx of cosecant of x. We are talking about cosecant of x, not cosecant square of x. Cosecant of x, it will be equal to cosecant of x into cot of x with minus sign. See there, for cot it was cosecant square of x with minus, and for cosecant minus is there, and cosecant of x in cot. So basically with three cos and cot and cosecant, there will be minus sign. There will be minus sign. With sine of x, tan of x and secant of x, that will be plus sign. But cos, cot and cosecant, there will be minus sign. So those are the 6 basic formula to solve the trigonometric identities. In trigonometric identities, this is the basic formula. When you will see in the question, it is given as sine of x, you can it says take the derivative of sine of x. You can write in one step, like sine of x is equal to cos of x, cos minus sine of x, tan secant square of x, cot cosecant square of x, secant of x secant itself and tan of x, cosecant of x minus cosecant square x minus cosecant of x into cot of x. So those are 6 basic identities, basic formulas for trigonometric identities, derivative formula. So in next videos we will solve those formulas, we will solve those questions. In questions we will use those formulas. You will understand that how those formulas are basically implemented. Till then, bye bye, take care.